IFL prevents you from gaining the benefits of a restful and proper sleep. In many people with flow-limited breathing, it may be accompanied by snoring. Snoring occurs when airflow is restricted and causes an audible fluttering of the upper airway tissues. The mouth structure is one of many factors that can cause the IFL. Having a narrow airway means airflow is more forceful, thus increasing the tissue vibration and the loud snoring sound. Having a thick, soft palate or enlarged uvula can narrow or obstruct airflow when sleeping. In addition, people who are overweight have extra tissue in the back of their throat that also can cause a narrowing of the airway.